What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn your post notifications. Today, we have an unboxing from Tpob, the man himself. You already know what it is. I believe we have a bundle pack. So based off of what you see in the thumbnail is what we're going to be diving into today. As you can see, we got the box right here. But like I said, I'm not too sure exactly what is in it. I have an idea. If you guys didn't know, the Tpob USA site is live. So if you want to buy anything from Tpob in the United States, the continental United States, use the code JBLENDS at tpobusa.com to save yourself 15% off. But without further ado, let's dive into this box, see what we got.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
Easy peasy. Gotta always have you some handy dandy skizzers ready. But this is gonna be the hard part. There we go. Let you guys take a little peek. All right, also with the Tpob Pro Play, powered by Acme, 5-hour runtime, XO Play blade, 3 hours of runtime, pencil blade for the trimmer. Both come with charging docks, as you can see here. You have the black grips with the green body. On the side here, you have cartoon artwork. As you see on every Tpob clipper, you got the Tpob Play on the back right there. You got more artwork. And then on the back end, it's got XO Play blade with oil reservoirs. You got a 5-click stretch lever, 2-speed switch, as you can see there, battery LED. The green on, which means your battery is high and charged. Red on is your battery is low. Red flashing is your battery is empty. Same thing for the trimmer, as you can see, pencil blade with oil reservoirs. Other than that, let's go ahead and get this box open. Open up the flip top. You got more of the artwork on the back end there. Go ahead and check that out. But what we're here for is right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the clipper and trimmer aside first, and we'll get to that next. But we're gonna go ahead and see what's underneath first. So you have your user manuals, of course, Tpob Play trimmer, Tpob Play clipper. On the inside, you have your charging cords. You have 2 charging cords, of course, for both of your trimmer and clipper. So you got that right there. There is the cord that goes inside the clipper or the charging dock. It is a US plug outlet. Let me see if I can show you. Not if, let me show you. So there is the US plug there. You have your screwdriver to change out the blade on your, to adjust the blade of your clipper. Then you also have another tool there, and this screwdriver here is for your trimmer blade if you want to adjust that. And also you have a Allen wrench for the trimmer blade as well. You have a zero gapping tool, which is right here, and that's to zero gap your blade if you want to do that. Cleaning brush, which is going to be right there. You have your half guard through your foreguard. So there is your foreguard, as you can see there. And then you have the lowest is going to be your half guard. So there's the half guard. This is a pretty cool box. I like the shape and everything of it. The packaging, the duo that it comes with. So that's the next thing we're going to look at is going to be the trimmer and the actual clipper. So first up, let's open up these charging docks. So this is going to be the clipper charging dock. Feels a little bigger. So there it is right there with the black face plate. Has little rubber grips at the bottom, so that way it won't move around on your station. So you put that down, it'll stay stationary. Here is the trimmer dock. They might roughly be the same size, to be completely honest, but let's see. So they are exactly the same size. So one's for your trimmer and one is for your clipper. Let's open up the trimmer first. So here is the moment of truth, y'all. This is what y'all wanted to see. There is the Tpob trimmer. I dig the black on the green, the slime green. There's your logo. You have your power switch here. You have the Tpob faceplate, as you can see there. There is your charging port. If you unscrew these, I'm assuming that he's going to come out with adjustable or customizable rubber grips that you could change out with this. Let's go ahead and take this blade cover off. And there, as you can see, is the pencil blade. So this is a smaller blade that is meant to be able to detail a lot more, a lot easier. Pencil blade Got the 2 screws on there. Let's go ahead and give it a bit of a sound test. For the actual trimmer, we're not gonna have 2 speeds. You're gonna have 1 speed for the trimmer. So let's go ahead and turn it on. So I'm really digging the rubber grip. I like the little thumb groove here. You also have some indentions on the back where you can put your fingers, or vice versa. If you want to put your thumb here, you can have your middle finger here to create a nice grip on it. Also has that rubber grip on there. I'm really digging this colorway, this shape. I can't complain about it. I love the slime green colorway. But we'll go ahead and set that into the dock. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the clipper next. So here is the clipper, and then take off the blade cover. But once again, I am digging that slime green on the black. That's a really dope colorway. XO play blade there. You have information on the back. This is gonna be a 2-speed clipper, 5-click lever system. I love the click lever on this. It's nice and smooth. On the bottom here, we will have a hanging hook if you are that type of barber that likes to hang their clippers on their station, I guess. I'm not one of those barbers, so we'll go ahead and tuck that bad boy back in. But there it is. There's a play blade. There's your click lever. There's how it opens up. There's the blade opened up. And if you look pretty close, you can see those oil reservoirs right in there. And that's where oil sits when you oil your blade down. They sit in those little grooves inside the blade there. So that is a dope concept. It's meant to keep your clipper a lot cooler for longer. But let's go ahead and give it a sound test. So we're gonna go ahead and go for the low speed first. So there is your low speed. And there is your high speed. So as y'all can see there, we have the Tpob trimmer, the tpobplay trimmer. We also have the tpobplay clipper. It's got the slime colorway. So can't wait to get these in the shop just to give you guys an idea of what they chop like. You have seen me use the play clipper countless times, the white one, the black one. This is just a slimed out edition of it. And then of course we have the actual Tpobplay trimmer that we're gonna go ahead and get to see behind the chair as well, that has the new pencil blade from Tpob. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how this chops up. I'm excited to use it. I have been showing videos showcasing the Tpobplay prototype that I have had. It's the black one that I've been using in my Instagram videos. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow your boy at @jblends_. But right here, the clipper, low speed, 6,000 RPM. Then you have your high speed, sitting at about 7,500 RPM, and just a super quiet clipper. I thoroughly enjoy this clipper all the way around. I love the click lever. It's just an all-around workhorse, debulks well. So for me personally, everybody always asks, like, what's the purpose of 2 speeds? Why would you need 2 speeds for a clipper? So for me personally, I like to debulk on the high speed. Cut through bulk, cut all your, you get like a 1.5, get all the bulk out of the side of the head if you need it. If they want like their hair knocked down on the top, I use the high speed to knock down debulk on the top. And then what I like to do for the blending portion is I like to use the low speed. Use the low speed and kind of just creates a little bit more detail than just mowing through hair with that high speed. So that is what I found the purpose of 2 speeds for. Before I used Tpob clippers, I did use other brands, and so a lot of times for those other brand clippers, when I was using those, I would use 2 clippers. I would use 1 clipper to debulk, and I would use 1 clipper to detail and fade. With this clipper, you get the best of both worlds. So shout out to Tpob for making the Tpobplay easily the best clipper in the game right now. If you have not got the Tpobplay, you're sleeping. But also Tpob trimmer. Can't wait to get these in the shop, like I said. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and get to the shop, get behind the chair. If you guys are already sold at this moment, and you at this point in the video, you're already thinking, I need to cop that, go to Tpob USA site or go to thepissedoffbarber.com. Use code JBlends to save yourself 15% off. This bundle I don't think will be available until next month, January. The Tpobplay trimmer by itself, I believe, will be available in January as well if you missed the pre-order. So Tpob did do a pre-order, I believe it was 2 weeks ago, the week of Thanksgiving. He did a pre-order, and so if you missed out on that, you gotta wait till January. Sorry to say, but let's go ahead and get these to the shop, let you guys see what they chop like, and give you guys my overall synopsis of what I think. Now, I already think the clipper is fire because I've already used it plenty of times. I have used the prototype trimmer a good bit, but we're going to go ahead and get the slime addition into the shop too and use that there. So stay tuned. Here comes some haircut clips. All right, y'all, so we're at the demonstration portion of this video. And I gotta say, this tpobplay clipper, it debulks well. Very great clipper. I've told you this numerous times. I think I did the unboxing for the white one as well as the black one. They're all the same clipper, just different colorways. So just overall, just showcasing you guys the ability to do clipper over comb, to debulk, to fade, all these different things that you can see in the video, so you can make a judgment for yourself whether or not you want to get this clipper, whether you want to add it to your arsenal, whether you want to purchase this for yourself. But the clipper on Amazon right now, I believe, is like $99 for the white one, and also like $112. I'll leave it in the video so you guys can see the definite price on Amazon, on tpobplay.com, and at thepissedoffbarber.com. And I'll leave links below where you can go purchase this for yourself if you are sold at this moment. But make sure, if you do go to thepissedoffbarber.com or tpobusa.com, to use your boy's code JBlends to save yourself 15% off. But overall, it just puts out a very soft blend. I'm not mad at this clipper at all, and I guarantee that this clipper and trimmer set is going to be very affordable. Most likely, I'm going to guess that you're going to be able to pay less than what you pay for one trimmer or one clipper from most of the other big brands that are out there for some quality tools. But here is the Tpob play trimmer. Gets very close to the skin. It's very soft and crisp at the same time. I don't even know how to explain it, but you can see right here it's lining up, very crispy edge up, but it's not harsh. It's not harsh on the skin. You can edge up underneath beards and it's not going to pull at the pores underneath when you're detailing like that. It gets you around the ear fine. A lot of people have asked me questions like, is the blade smaller? Does it kind of deter you from being fast with your work, like balding out and stuff like that? And I have to say that it doesn't really deter any of that at all. It's a very convenient tool to have and use, and so you can see me eating through the bulk of this beard as well. But overall, great buy. I can't really think of anything negative to say about it besides the fact of having to adjust to a smaller blade. The only reason why I say adjust is because I'm so used to using a T wide blade. Most companies out there right now are using all wide blades. Now, if you ever were a Slimline Pro fan, something of that blade, you know, this is kind of that size. But you know, overall, it doesn't slow you down or anything like that. It's very crisp, eats through bulk, and it's very close to the skin. So as you can see here in these videos. But if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to your boy's channel. Got more videos to come. Make sure, if you want to copy this clipper and trimmer set, to use code JBlends at thepissedoffbarber.com and at tpobusa.com. But until next time, God bless.